Hi, welcome back to Taste Test Tuesdays. If you are new here, my name is Rita and I taste test vegan food every Tuesday, even though today is not exactly a Tuesday. Okay, so basically World Vegan Day happened this week. The next day, I ended up coming down with a virus and 2-day migraine. So I wasn't able to do anything. I was quite bedridden and I haven't even been able to finish up my World Vegan Day video, which I plan to have done by the end of this week. And I really still wanted to do the Taste Test Tuesday for you guys because I want to be quite regular. So I'm getting this one done on Wednesday, but it's going to be a super quick one. So then that way I can get it edited, done, and uploaded as soon as possible. So just let's get into it. Today's gonna be a super quick one, so there won't be any GoPro shots. It'll just be me using this one camera. And I picked something that I could just taste without having to do any great stuff or whatever else with it. Even though I suppose you could do other things with it and get creative, but I'm happy to just taste it as is. So it's new at Woolworths from Plantitude. This plant-based deliciousness Belgian dark chocolate cake. Oh my god. I mean, seriously. Okay, so it's 550 grams, 100% vegan, and it feels, I'm gonna say, it actually feels like half a kilo right here. It's super dense. And if you can see in comparison, like, I don't have huge massive hands, but that's the size of the cake. And it's actually 10 servings per pack. Oh, righto. Okay, 10 servings. I don't know about that. But let's open it up. I can smell that chocolate, boy. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, so it comes with a little thing. Now, I'm not sure if I should peel it off or just slide it up. I slid it up. While you admire this, my face is red because I coughed. I just wanted to say, while you admire this, how much fun I had at World Vegan Day. It was awesome. Okay. Let's just try it. Okay, so I'm gonna cut this up. I'm probably gonna cut myself, so if this is 10 servings, probably 2.5 servings for myself. All right, let's do this from here. It's so thick. Oh my God, it's solid. Oh. It's really solid. I might actually agree with them if they say this is 10 servings. It's solid, man. All right, let's do this without making it. I was almost gonna drop it everywhere. Can you see that? Okay, I'm gonna sit down before I do drop it and put it on a plate. I'm so glad I had the plate there because I dropped it on the plate. Here we go. Oh, how nice does my hair look? Anyway, back to cake. This is because I dropped it. Here we go. Oh. Aesthetically, it reminds me very much of the original Woolworths mud cake, but with like a double and a cream in the middle and the icing on top. Like the consistency from what it looks is so similar. Oh my God. And I do miss those cakes since becoming vegan. Okay, so it is a little bit crumbly though. So just a note, they actually do freeze these, Woolworths. Yes, this is, the sponge is how I remember the original Woolworths mud cake to taste. Same consistency, same flavors, same textures, including the icing sugar. The middle bit, it's a little bit solid. Don't know if you can see that. It's a little bit solid. Yeah, it's just like hard sugar, not great. But look, not great because I don't like sugar like that. I know a lot of people that would love this. I don't know. I just don't like sugar like that. But everything else is so good. Let me try that raspberry stuff. Oh, wow. Oh, that's a nice little touch. I mean, if you're gonna buy a mud cake, buy this one, because it's got these. Yummy. This could be the next best thing for people who need a quick birthday cake for someone's birthday. Vegan, local Woolies has it. Has you covered. I'll take that back when I said 10 servings was a joke. They're probably a little bit right on that because it is quite heavy. So I would say 8 servings. It's going to look very stingy, but trust me, it'll fill you up. This is good. This is nice. I'd definitely get it again. How much was it? $8? It looks like a lot, but if you thought about serving this to 8 people at $8, it's $1 a slice. Who cares? It's not that expensive. So yeah, pretty happy with that. Love to have that option available. They now have 2 cakes at Woolies, but you know, not just vegans, even lactose intolerant people now have a choice. Made with coconut oil and apple puree. So that's why it's very moist. Yeah, but it's funny because it literally tastes the same as the regular Woolies mud cake. Well done, Plantitude. I'll see you next Tuesday.